Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. By the way, I am Eduardo Golfan, and to this video I am gonna show you on how to configure your Gmail account so that you can use it in Microsoft Access database or any database that you want to send pre-email, just like what I did in my previous video. So to start, no further intro, let's go. So this is my sample email. So to start, click the profile, click on this, and then manage your Google account. Then let's go to security, and then let's find a two-step verification. It's on this. Okay, so this is the explanation for the two-step verification, and then get started. And then continue. This is my cell number because I choose text message. So send this, click send. Now I will put the code and next, then turn on. So two-step verification is on since today. Okay, and let's go back. And then next, guys, is we have to set up the application password. So click this, and then let us sign again. Okay, select an app. So this one, we will select this mail, and then for the device, Windows computer, generate password, and here we go, guys. So this is it. So this is the password. So copy paste, and then put in the code in the BBE. So that's it. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like this video, please click like, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. That's all, guys. Thank you, and see you to my next video.